This is live action right here. 200 Arrowwood Drive. I'm about to do a little jackhammer right at you right now because I got some fire. Look at all my supplies showing out right here. We got 13 bags of 80 pounds of beef. Let me show you. It's heavy. 1,000 pounds of concrete. We fixing my little baby daughter wanted basketball go for like over a year. And tonight is the start of the process that we're gonna put this basketball goal up. And it may only take 3 to 9 weeks, but we're right on schedule. That's it. Now look. Part 2. Yeah. That's a jackhammer. I got a big job to do. That's a big one. Oh my God! Here's what you do. You round it. Control. Now let's go get him! What's happened when a rock messes with home fries? The rock loses again.